Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show and tell how to hide status in Instagram on iPhone Online. Please subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Let's get started. In order for us to hide with you the active status in Instagram, you need to go to your profile, open it. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. In the search box, write three letters ACT. Find Show Activity Status, and here we have this setting. In order for us to hide and disable, then we need to take this slider and move it to the left side. After that, our people, subscribers will not see when we were online. And if we want to enable, we activate. This is the simple way to do it. Subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Whether you have, in my opinion, ways to do it or not, I will read and reply to everyone. Thank you all who watched this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.